Now tell me about your ride. Nice car. Wait, don't like stock headlights? No problem, I change for you. How about these RA style LED projectors? Try them on. There, your ride will never look the same with these on it. So who am I? Well, I'm not just one person. I'm a corporation that thrives for the best service in the auto parts industry. But if you need a name to Google me, you can type this.
On this video tutorial, we'll learn how to install projector headlights for a 2001 to 2005 Volkswagen Passat. Once the hood is open, you can take out the plastic cover shown here. You can pull back the front grille slightly after removing the two bolts shown in red arrows. Next, we will take out the hood latch. In order to do so, we must first remove the hood latch cover. Once that's done, we can then use a flat tip screwdriver and remove the hood latch. Now that the hood latch is free, we can then completely remove the front grille. Beneath the front bumper, there are 3 more screws shown in red arrow that also need to be removed. On each side of the front bumper, there are 3 screws that need to be removed. Once that's complete, there is 1 more bolt that holds down the fender and the front bumper. And at the top of the front bumper, there are 4 T30 bolts that also need to be removed. Please do that now. At this point, the front bumper should be free. Gently wiggle it out, just enough to reach your hand in, and unplug the fog lights. This shot shows 5 red arrows holding down the bracket. Please remove these T30 bolts where the 5 red arrows are pointing. Once the brackets are removed, we'll notice that in this shot, we're showing the top part of the headlights. There's a black plastic cover hiding one of the bolts. You'll notice that after removing the black cover, we can see the bolt on the inside. Once that's done, remove the one right behind the headlights, shown here. And then the final 2 screws that are on top of the headlights. Once all 4 screws are out, we can then unplug the harness holding down the headlight. Once that's complete, gently wiggle out the headlight and take the headlight over to the new projectors. The only thing we need from the original headlights are the 2 metal screws on the brackets. Please take off those 2 metal screws and put them on the new projectors. You can now bring the projector headlights back to its original location. After the headlight screws are put in, please reconnect the harness. At this point, we can now replace all the screws that we removed from earlier, with the frame, the front bumper, and the front grille, and also reattaching the hood latch. Your new Passat projectors are ready to light up the street. Please check all lighting before taking your vehicle out on the road. Thank you.
Thank you for choosing Specdtuning videos to assist you. Please visit specdtuning.com for more products.